We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
AND gate, and NOT gate. So in this lecture, we have seen the universal gates and exclusive gates in logic circuit. So first of all, we will go for quick revision of the three gates. So first of all, here you can see that we have three gates, which is AND gate, NOT gate, and OR gate. So in NOT gate, when my input is 0, then I will get output 1. If my input is 1, then I will get output 0. So it is my output is a complement of the input. Next is OR gate. So it is a expression of OR gate. So A plus B or A or in with B. So it is nothing but the mathematical multiplication. So if input A and B, then my output should be high. So here you can see that both the input 0, the output should be 0. And if one of the input 1 or high, then my output should be high. Here you can see that the AND gate. So it is the expression AND gate. If my both the input A and B, then my output should be high. Then my given expression of AND gate is Y is equal to A into B. So it is nothing but mathematical multiplication. So here you can see that if my both the input 0, then my output should be 0, and if my both the input 1, then my output is 1. So here you can see that if one of the input is low, then my output should be low, otherwise it is. So next we will see the universal gate. So we have two types of universal gates, NAND gate and NOT gate. So what is the meaning of universal gate? So here you can see that using universal gate, so using NAND gate and NOR gate, we can build any of gate, any other gates like OR gate, AND gate. So here you can see that using NAND gate and NOR gate, we can produce inverter, which is my NOT gate, OR gate, and AND gate. That's why it is called universal gate. So how we can make NAND gate and NOR gate? So here you can see that NAND is nothing but the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. Same wise, NOR is nothing but the combination of OR gate and NOT gate. So we will discuss for NAND gate and NOR gate. So first of all, we will see the NOR gate. So NOR gate is nothing but combination of OR gate and NOT gate. So here you can see that the A and B is the input of my OR gate, and output of OR gate is goes to the input of the NOT gate. So what is the output of OR gate? So if A and B is my input, then my output of OR gate is A plus B. So here you can see that if A is my input 1, B is my input 2, then my output should be A plus B. Now this A plus B goes into the input of the NOT gate. And you know that the input of the NOT gate is a complement of the input. So my output C is nothing but the complement of A plus B. So here final output C is equal to complement of A plus B. So here it is to the bar, which is nothing but a complement. So now we will discuss the truth table of NOR gate. So here you can see that when my input is 0, 0, then what happens? If my input is 0, 0, then I will put value of A is 0 plus value of B is 0 and bar of that. So value of B 0 plus 0 is 0, and again we have bar. So then you can say that a value of 0 bar is nothing but 1. So here you can see that, okay, if your value is 0, 0, then 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 bar is 1. So your value is 1. Same if you are putting we are putting 0, 1 value. Then what we have? Here we have to put 0, 1. So here value of A is 0, value of B is 1. So your value is 0 plus 1 is 0. Same you are putting for the, if you are put the value 1, 0, then 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 bar is 0. And if you are putting value is 1 plus 1, then 1 plus 1 is 1 and 1 bar is 0. So here you can see that the NOR gate is nothing but the complement of the OR gate. If you are compare truth table of OR gate and NOT gate, then you will see that both are the complement of each other. So in NOR gate, you can see that if my both the input 0, then my output should be high. Otherwise, it is low. Here we will see the timing diagram of NOR gate. So it is a truth table of NOR gate. So using that, we will see the timing diagram. If X and Y is my input and Z is my output. So if both the input low, so 0, 0, then my output should be high. If 0, 1, then it should be low. If 1, 0, then it should be 0. If both the value 1, then it should be 0. Now we will see the again another universal gate, which is NAND gate. So same in NAND gate, you can see that if you are putting value here, the same I will show you if we are putting value 0, 0. So if we are putting A 0, B 0, and what we will have. So 0 into 0 is 0, and we have again complement, so it is bar. So 0 bar is nothing but 1. So here using that you can see that if you are putting 0, 0, then 0 into 0 is 0 and 0 bar is 1. So your final answer should be 1. Same if you are putting 0, 1, then 0 into 1 is 0. So 0 bar is again 1. Same if you are putting 1, 0. So for 1, 0 is again 0. 0 bar is 1. And what if you are putting both the value 1, 1? So if you are putting both the value 1, so 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 bar is 0. So you will get value 0. So here we can say the truth table of NAND gate is complement of the OR gate. Sorry, complement of the AND gate. So you can see that if both the input 1, then my output is 0. Otherwise it is 1. So next we will see or another gate, which is exclusive gate. So here it is a timing diagram. So both the values 0, 0, then your output should be 1, 0, 1, output should be 1, 1, 0, output should be 1. And if both the input 1, 1, then your output should be 0. So one next gate is exclusive gate or extra gate. So here we have two exclusive gate, XNOR gate or XNOR gate. Okay, so here for XOR gate, you can see that symbol of XOR gate, there is extra path that we have to go in OR gate. So here it is a Boolean expression of XOR gate. C is equal to A XORing with B, where A is my input 1 and B is my input So here you can see that if I will expand this equation, then I will get this equation A into B bar plus A bar into B. So now we will check what is the value. So we will put value in this equation. So if I will put both the value 0 0, so here it is 0 into 0 bar plus 0 bar into 0. Now we have seen that what is the value of 0? 0 is 0 multiplied with 0 bar is 1. Same 0 bar is 1 and 0 is same as 0. So we know that 0 into 1 is 0 using AND operator, and 1 into 0 is again 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0 using OR operator. So your final answer should be 0. So here you can see that if your both the input is 0 0, then your output should be 0. So next we will check for 0 1. So for 0 1, we will put value of B 1. So here I will put 1, here again 1. So you know that a 0 into 1 bar is again 0, and 1 into 1 is, so 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So here you will get, when your input is 0 1, then your output should be 1. Same we will check for 1 0. So if my value A is 1 and value B is 0, so here 1 and 0. So 1 as it is, 0 bar is again 1, 1 bar is 0, and 0 as it is 0. So here you can say that 1 into 1 is 1 and 0 into 0 is 0. So 1 plus is 0, 1. So here you will get 1 to 0 is 1. Same, if you are putting value 1 1, then you will get value 0. So we will check if I will put value of 1 1, then what will happen. So here I will put value of B 1. So here it is 1 1 1. So here 1 bar is nothing but 0. Same here 1 bar is nothing but 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is again 0. So 0 into 0 is 0. So I will get value 0. So here we check what is the value of XOR gate if we are putting 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Same we will check for XOR gate. So for XOR gate, A and B is my input, then my output should be C. A, it is a symbol of XNOR, so A XNORing with B, where A is my input 1, B is my input 2. If I will expand this equation, then it will like A bar into B bar plus A into B. So now we will put the value of A and B and check what is my output. So if I will put A and B is 0, 0, then here it is nothing but 0 bar dot 0 bar plus 0 into 0. So here you can see that 0 bar is nothing but 1, same 0 bar is nothing but 1, and 0 into 0 is 0. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 as it is. So 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So if you are putting both the values 0, 0, then your output should be 1. Now we will check putting value 0, 1. So we are putting value of B is 1. So here 1, here 1. So 0 bar is again 1, 1 bar is 0. 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. Here 0 as it is, so 0 plus 0 is 0. So if my value is 0, 1, then my output should be 0. Same we will check for 1, 0. What happens if we are putting value 1, 0? So here I will put value A is 1, B is 0, same 1 dot 0. 1 bar is 0, 0 bar is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, and here again 0 into 0 is 0, so 0 plus 0 is 0. So it is the final answer if my both the input is 1, 0. Now we will check for if my both the input is 1, then what should be my output. So I will put both the value 1, 1. So here I will put 1, 1. So 1 bar is 0, again 1 bar is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 0 is 0, 1 as it is, 0 plus 1 is 1. So here you can see that if you have both the input 1, then your output should be 1. So here you can observe that if your both the input same, here you can see that if your both the inputs same, then your output should be high. Otherwise it is 0. And same you can check in XOR gate. If your both the input 0, then your output should be 0. Otherwise it is high. So XOR gate and XNOR gate is a complement of each other. So here we will completed our all the gates, basic gates, universal gates, and XOR gates. Thank you.